Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth for collagen at home. First, you'll want to gather your main ingredients: about 2 to 3 pounds of beef or chicken bones, a few carrots, celery stalks, an onion, and some herbs like parsley and bay leaves. Roasting the bones beforehand for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit really deepens the flavor. Then, simply place all your ingredients into a large stock pot or slow cooker. Next, cover all your ingredients with enough water to submerge them completely, and add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps extract the minerals and collagen from the bones. Bring the mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very gentle simmer. Let it cook for a minimum of 12 hours, or up to 24 hours, to ensure maximum collagen extraction and a rich, flavorful broth. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all the solids. Discard the bones and vegetables, as their nutrients have now been transferred to the liquid. Allow the rich, golden broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for several months. Your homemade collagen-rich bone broth is now ready to enjoy. Sip it warm on its own, or use it as a flavorful base for soups, stews, and sauces. It's a fantastic way to support your gut health and boost your collagen intake naturally. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy broth making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.